welcome to your first installment here of a series of videos that we're going to be producing here for Pete's Quick Lube. That's right, Pete's Quick Lube right here in 3380 West 10th Street in Gering, Nebraska. This is the old Grease and Go here, but as you can see right here behind me, that's the old building right there. Grease and Go sign still up. We are in the middle of changing all of that. We're just getting started, and we want everybody out there to know that here in western Nebraska, Gering, Nebraska rather, you can come on down here and you can get all of your oil change, quick service, and even some mechanical needs now. The hours are going to be Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. On Saturday, you'll be able to get some services from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. And again, basically, as you've always known this place to be, you know, your economy type, you know, quick lube. But we are more than just that now. Now you can come down here and get performance type oils, fuel additives for your diesels, for your gasoline. We've got a mechanic on duty pretty much during the week. I don't know about the weekend. I think he kind of does every other weekend or something of that nature. I know we're going to have batteries for sale at some point, wipers, you name it. You got to come down here and you need to check this out. So again, come on down here to Pete's Quick Lube at 3380 West 10th Street in Gering. Keep checking back. We're going to have more updates, and we're going to be informing you of each and every single product and service that we offer here. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned. We're going to be bringing you a whole lot more.